Good medical morning. This is Watson, and today we're going to discuss what causes herniated discs. But first, what is a herniated disc? The bones that form the spine in the back are cushioned by discs. These discs are round, like small pillows, and they act as shock absorbers for the spinal bones. A herniated disc, also called bulged, slipped, or ruptured, is a fragment of the disc nucleus that is pushed out of the annulus into the spinal canal through a tear or rupture in the annulus. Discs that become herniated usually are in an early stage of degeneration.
I have heard that spinal disc is kind of like a jelly donut.
Well, you know what? You're exactly right.
Yum!
It's got a soft center encased within a tougher outer layer, and a herniated disc occurs when some of that jelly, that softer part, pushes out or herniates through a tear in the tougher exterior. Exactly right, like a jelly donut.
Doesn't sound good.
In between that, we have this tan color material. That's called your intervertebral disc. And the way to think about an intervertebral disc is it's like a big jelly donut. So the outside's semi-firm and inside is a jelly-like material. If we get enough damage to that outer ring of that disc, that jelly-like material can start to squirt its way out.
Herniated discs can occur in any part of the spine. Herniated discs are more common in the lower back or lumbar spine, but also occur in the neck or cervical spine. The area in which pain is experienced depends on what part of the spine is affected. Causes. A single excessive strain or injury may cause a herniated disc. However, disc material degenerates naturally as one ages, and the ligaments that hold it in place begin to weaken. As this degeneration progresses, a relatively minor strain or twisting movement can cause a disc to rupture. Certain individuals may be more vulnerable to disc problems and, as a result, may suffer herniated discs in several places along the spine. Research has shown that a predisposition for herniated discs may exist in families with several members affected. So now you know. Do you have a herniated disc? Tell your story in the comments below. Do you find yourself exhausted, lethargic, or just unmotivated? That means you aren't getting the deep, restful sleep you need. It's time to check out Restmore. Restmore is an all-natural herbal supplement designed to maximize your brain's ability to rest. Let's hear from some people like you.
Just had a baby 5 months ago, and I was having a hard time sleeping at night after I had her, obviously, and I tried this Restmore, and I'm sleeping so much better every night.
Doesn't make me feel groggy, fall asleep pretty easy, wake up refreshed, best sleep I ever had. Amazing, I would refer it to anybody.
Tried this for a month and it works great. I got a full night of sleep, wake up feeling nice and well rested, and now I can finally get to bed on time and have a full night of sleep.
What's better, Restmore is available on Amazon. So click the link right now in the description below. Order a bottle today and start getting the best sleep of your life.